That's my 1949 Dodge Coronet basket case. It's got a lot of rust and cancer in it, but just want to give you a quick walk around real quick before I get into it. This is the interior. Obviously you see quite a bit of cancer. I took all the interior out. It's sitting there and the rug pretty much disintegrated, but there's already a patch panel put over there, and somebody had 3 floor mats on this side to keep it going. The only thing that didn't come with the car was the radio. Somebody else bought it, but got me a discount when I paid for it. So anyway, that's the interior there. Let's walk around. Sorry, I got my phone plugged in. I gotta carry my electrical cord around too. Here's the trunk. There's some cancer in there too. Plan is to get it in driving condition and go from there. Probably gonna get new floors, but I like the rust, so I'll just patch up anything major and then get it kind of driver quality. Trunk lid's good. All the doors open and close pretty well. Windows roll down, all that good stuff. But right now, after I took the interior out, first video, by the way, sorry for the poor quality. I don't know what I'm doing. So my goal is to take the front clip off because I already have a running and driving engine from a 52 Dodge truck that's going to go down in here. But I want to get this front clip off first, so I just wanted to start with the driver's side here. And I'm not sure if you can actually take off the entire front clip as one piece. That's what I'd like to do. But if I have to do it separately, I can do that too. If anybody knows anything, that would be great. But I'm just kind of winging it here for this first video, and probably not even put the sound on and just do commentary instead. But we'll see how it goes.